If you're watching this, you probably know a little something about vaping. But for the moment, let's pretend you know nothing. So we'll start right at the beginning. First, vaping is not smoking. When you smoke, you inhale the smoke from burning tobacco leaves. When you vape, you inhale the vapor from a heated, flavored liquid. Very different concept. There are all kinds of cool devices you can use for vaping, from e-cigs to box mods to hybrid mods. But don't let that mess with your mind right now. They're all just different ways to do the same thing. Heat up an e-liquid so it vaporizes, so you can breathe it in and then blow it out. With each puff, you get a tasty hit of flavor in your mouth. And there are tons of flavors to choose from tobacco to fruit to dessert. If you've ever smoked, you'll feel that same kind of satisfaction as you inhale and exhale. But you'll notice that vapor is thicker and more substantial than smoke. In fact, making huge clouds is one of the really fun parts of vaping. But here's another thing. Even though basic e-liquids are made up of the same 4 simple ingredients, there's often a huge difference in quality. Liquid Soul e-liquids are made right here in the USA from the best domestic and imported ingredients. And when it comes to which e-liquid to use, just trust your soul. Liquid Soul.